Today we are going to be talking about an overused feature, and that feature is the Windows refresh button. Can you honestly say that you were never tempted to click on the refresh button whenever your PC suddenly started lagging for no reason? Or maybe the first button you probably clicked on when you boot up your PC is the refresh button. It's like there's this itch on the roof of your mouth that only the refresh button can fix. So why do we do this? Well, there is a misconception that when we click on refresh, then the RAM gets cleaned, the processor gets a boost, and ultimately our computer starts working faster and better. So how true is this? Let me first give you a little history knowledge. When Windows was first created, which was called PC-DOS, that was created for IBM, and later on Microsoft created MS-DOS, which licensed IBM clone companies. There wasn't any graphical interface where you could move around your mouse and click on various icons and do different things. In fact, there were no icons to begin with. Everything was done through the command prompt. Yes, the same command prompt that we know and most likely avoid today. Until you download some garbage from the internet, get a virus on your computer, and some guy on YouTube is telling you to open up command prompt to type long lines of commands to remove the virus because you are too lazy to just reinstall Windows. So when the first GUI or graphical user interface was introduced, the GPUs or graphical processing units were not as powerful as they are today, obviously. So when you changed something on the desktop, say you dragged a folder from one place to another, but you wouldn't see any change. The code in the background might have changed, but it wouldn't show any change in the desktop. So when you clicked on refresh, the graphical interface would get refreshed and you'd be able to see the changes that you made. But modern Windows and computers contain powerful GPUs, so they continuously automatically refresh your Windows. So then why do we still have the refresh button? Because still in some rare cases, say you tried to rename a folder, but the name didn't change initially, so you would click on refresh and see the change. So no, continuously refreshing Windows will not make your potato PC run as fast as a $10,000 PC. In fact, your PC will perform slower because when you click on refresh, you essentially give the computer a command which the computer will need to process and perform. So this performance could overwhelm your potato and make the computer perform slower than before. So hopefully you'll now stop constantly violating the refresh button. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on other social media platforms at TechBudgie.